All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's your tech guide, Chan. And my topic for this video is how to install a virtual DJ 8 Pro, a full version or full license. Though it's crap, but you can activate any hardwares that you're going to use since it's a infinite, okay? All right, so here's what we're going to do. Just follow the step-by-step procedure on how to install this application, all right? So by the way, I'll be posting in the description, I'll be posting a link where to download Virtual DJ 8 Pro in Infinity. So for more questions, just drop any questions in the comment section so that if I have time, I will respond to your comments. So let's go. Let's install. All right. Open Virtual DJ 8 Pro installer. Just follow the step-by-step procedure on how to install. Very simple and straightforward. Very basic. Click install. Password of your laptop. Hit continue. All right. Let's wait for a few seconds since it's already installing. By the way, right after the installation, it will automatically goes to your folder applications. All right. Okay, it's already done. So close everything and then go to your folder applications. Anything that's installed in your Mac straight away goes to your applications. Okay, open application folder and look for Virtual DJ 8 icon. All right, so here we are. It's the icon Virtual DJ 8. So for easy access, all you have to do is to drag the icon Virtual DJ 8 to your dock. All right. So right now it's actually fully installed to your system. But the thing is, it's not yet in infinity mode. We have to crack this Virtual DJ for you to be able to access your any hardware that you like to. Okay, let's try. Open Virtual DJ 8. Let's go to your settings and then let's check license. Okay, so since I already have activated this software or version of this Virtual DJ 8, so I will show you, I will log out the account and then I will recrack this software. So as you can see here, content is unlimited audio, everything says already have, okay? So Virtual DJ Pro Infinity. So what I'm going to do, I will log out the account, okay? So as you can see here, it's already logged out and then it's asking for payment for you to be able to be in Infinity. That would cost you $299. Okay, so we close this, close the application, close Virtual DJ, and then all you have to do is to go to documents where the folder of Virtual DJ is installed. Okay, so this is the tricky part. So all you have to do is to get the crack for Virtual DJ. Once again, just do comment in the comment section or email me directly and I'll be sending you the crack for Virtual DJ 8, okay? Okay, hold on, I will locate my crack. Okay, this is the crack. So all you have to do is to copy the crack, copy, and then paste it in the folder Virtual DJ in your My Documents. Okay. All right. Authenticate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's it. Crack is already being pasted to the My Documents. So let's check once again. Virtual DJ 8. And by the way, once you are doing this one, make sure your internet connection is completely off. All right. Let's open the software. Okay, it's open and then go to settings again. Let's review if it's fully licensed. License. There you go. It's been cracked. Virtual DJ Infinity is already activated. So once again, anything or any hardware that you have, for as long as it's recognized by Virtual DJ 8, it will run fully in infinite mode, okay? So I think that's it for this video episode. Once again, I'm your tech guide for today. Just make sure you hit subscribe and like this video for more videos. All right, thank you very much and ciao for now. Bye.